This video shows tips and tricks for dealing with issues you may encounter while loading paper. You will see a message on the printer's LCD screen if one of the paper trays is not positioned correctly. Move the trays to the proper position to clear the message. If you push cassette 1 too far into the printer and you can't reach it, turn the printer off, then on again. The printer will reposition the tray correctly. When loading paper into either paper tray, make sure you load the paper with the printable side face down. The printable side is usually whiter or glossy. Always remember to load envelopes face down, with the flap on the left side and facing up. Also, make sure the flap is closed, or the glue may stick to the printer rollers. When using the CD/DVD tray, the output tray must be closed. When you want to print on a disc, make sure you press the disc securely on the center spindle when placing it on the tray. The paper setup screen lets you set the paper size and type to match the paper you just inserted. If the screen does not appear when you insert a paper cassette, the screen may be disabled. To turn it on again, press Home, select Settings, then select Printer Settings. Select Paper Source Setting, then Paper Configuration, and select On. Now, whenever you insert a paper cassette, the LCD screen will prompt you to confirm paper settings so you can change them if necessary. For more information on paper handling, watch the XP-6000 loading paper video.